Say this place has got 4 inches. Did park the car over there. Walk down the bike trail. Because this is closed for the winter. Poopy! Poopy puppy! Pooping on the side of the road. Google says I did it in the car. The old man. He don't hold it so good anymore. But good exercise and good food. And them turds come out, they don't even make a mess. It's just like a little biscuit. Little dog muffin. I think I saw the tide was in, so this might be kind of cool looking. You can see by the way the snow accumulates, this is a trail. There's a trail that walks right to here. The sign, I don't know why they have the sign here, I guess so tourists don't go down there. I don't know. Sit on her butt and go down. I don't want to fall down. I don't know. Since it's such a good view, you probably might just be a regular person. But I think this is my opportunity to talk to regular people. The earth is flat. Yep. Earth is flat. AI is just a tool. It's not Skynet or anything like that. It's not going to become a new life form. Politics are fake. Hollywood is fake. School teaches you backwards. History is fake. And just because maybe you or somebody you know has been through the skit, has saw the skit firsthand, you got to watch the little play firsthand, doesn't mean it's real. So, I mean, come on. 9/11, what happened in 9/11? No answers. the stuff is stopped. Nobody's looking for any of the answers or anything like that. All the conspiracies. It's all by design. The kind of frustrating thing to me is we don't have to use each other. It doesn't have to. It doesn't have to be a competition all the time. It's not survival of the fittest. And survival of the fittest just looks like the one who's willing to do the worst things. Come on, let's go this way. Yeah, the tide's up. All right, go see the water. Tell me when it's up. Is it deep? Right there. You wanna go out there? Go out there. Show me how deep the ocean is. Oh, well. Whole lot of nothing. I'm gonna turn this off. Interact with my dogs.